Hey guys, welcome to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make a brochure in Canva. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're trying to create a brochure for your business and you're unsure how to create it, well, the good thing about this one is Canva actually provides us a way for us to create it ourselves via their platform. So what we need to do first here is to first create our account. So if you don't have an account yet on Canva, at the top right you should see a sign up button on canva.com, and from here you have the option to continue with Google, in which in this case you'll be able to create your Canva account with your Google account. Now if you want to continue in another way, you could also use your Apple, your Facebook, your Microsoft, and other account here. Now if you want to do this manually, you could go ahead and choose the continue with email, continue work email, and log in with mobile. But in this case, since I already have my account, I just want to log in into my account. So by the way, creating your account in Canva is pretty easy. Just follow the steps and you should be good. Now in this case, let's go ahead and continue in Google and select our account. Now in the main UI for Canva, what we need to do first is we first need to get the template for creating a brochure. So at the top right, you should be able to see a create design option or button. So go ahead and click on that. And from here, you will be able to see the suggested formats. Now, since we want to create a brochure, which is typically divided by 3 segments for on a paper format. So let's go ahead and just type in brochure here since we haven't used it before. Now, in here, you should see the brochure format. So we have the 11 by 8.5 inches format. We also have the landscape. We also have the landscape 17 by 11 inches. So go ahead and just choose the format that you want to use. So in this case, I'm going to use the 11.8.5 inches. Now, it's going to pop up another tab here wherein I'll be able to choose a template that I want to use on Canva. Now in this case, Canva is really helpful because it's going to instantly give us ideas on how to create our brochure. So sometimes getting an artist to create a brochure from the ground up can be expensive, or sometimes can be time consuming. So if you really want to make this on the go, like you want to access this anytime, anywhere, and you'll be able to do it yourself, well, this is what we need to do. So first, at the left side here, we have our template. So what we need to do here is we need to select a template first. So they have different templates here for different occasions. Like for example, they have this template here. So let's go ahead and apply this one. This is the first one. So this is a kind of a concert type or event type of brochure. So it's going to say keep connected with us, and a tag here as well. So in this case, if you have this template here, you could also change the template style. So at the left side here, if you click on template style, you'll be able to shuffle the template style step. So as you can see, it's the colors are going to be different. It's going to be different every time. So if you want to edit this manually, well, you could also do that. So for example, I'm going to shuffle this one last time, and as you can see, the colors are darker, which is still really cool. So it's still sticking to the theme itself. Now, what we need to do here, for example, if you want to edit the text, what you need to do here is just basically double click on it, and you'll be able to change the text itself. Like for example, I'm just going to input test there. Now from here on onwards, what you need to do here is just basically replace all of the text of the chosen template that you use. Now once you replace all the text here, make sure that it actually adheres to your brand's font and colors. So in this case, if you're using a very specific font for your brand, make sure that you use that. So in this case, if you double click on it, you'll be able to change the font here. As you can see, I'm using Livic. And in here, if we click on Livic here, you'll be able to change the font itself. Now in here, let's just go ahead and click on anywhere on this page here. And you could also change the images if you want to as well. So if you click on this image, you'll have this option here. You have the option to delete it, copy, duplicate this one. And if you click on this one, you'll be able to basically do a lot of stuff, other stuffs here, like add comments, lock alternative text, and a lot more. Now, in this case, if you, for example, you want to remove this image, so let's go ahead and just press on the backspace button on our keyboard. And when we go to elements here, we could go ahead and just type in whatever what we think. So for example, we want to add a painting. So let's go ahead and search for painting. And from here, what we need to do is choose the type of image they want to use. Also, you could use personalized image if you want that. So in this example, I'm going to drag it in here in this space here. As you can see, we were able to change that specific image. Now, as I said before, you could also use your images. Like for example, go to uploads here. You could go ahead and upload your images here, and you'll be able to use that as a replacement for that image. Now from here on, you could go ahead and just make all the changes that you want, but the main goal here is you could just use Canva as a way for you to use templates and easily create your brochures. Now if you want to really customize your brochures here, I would suggest you try visiting Pinterest here, just searching for brochure. And from here, you'll be able to see different ideas that you could take inspiration from and apply it in your Canva projects here. So that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.